Okay, this is Austin with Royal Flush Plumbing. We're at 3762 Southwest Council Crest Drive. We found a 4-inch cast iron clean out in the basement. Now in the horizontal and heading out the basement wall towards Council Crest. Here it looks like we meet 6-inch concrete. I think we switched to 4-inch concrete or 5 back about 8 feet from the house, but I could not tell for sure. This would be at the street curb connection. Looks like we're entering clay. This is all city lateral. We dump into city main. So regardless of the materials, I believe it was concrete. Everything looked in great shape. No evidence of any separations or root intrusions. And this will conclude that video.